I've been trying to figure it out ever since I got off the phone with you. And if you look, well, you can't see it, but like I say, man, even though the boat broke, bro, it broke into purpose.
All right. Let's see what we got, man. Let the kids have a little fun. Welcome back to the channel. Goat Nation LS Stress here, man. The car is running. That's a good thing. It's not broke. But let me dumb it down for you.
It broke in the perfect spot. Shouldn't have broke it all, but it broke in the perfect spot. It was a nice, clean break.
Damn.
You know,
And I told
I'm looking at it now, man. It's just crazy. I tell you, I'm gonna tell you.
I'm glad I did ease out of it. I took it from the shop. 15 minutes, just normal driving. And I decided to do a pull with an Infiniti. Like it wasn't too aggressive. I kind of ran into first and I punched it. Got the second. It felt okay. Got the third. And I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? It's still strong, but I felt like something was off. And I heard a little tick and I let out of it. I threw it straight into neutral. Got up to about 85. So on the way down, I just coasting it. The tick was getting louder. Put it in the 4th gear. I was like, and I heard the tick. I'm like, bruh, you gotta be shitting me. I just got this bitch back. Right? And I let it coast. I babied it home. Called Dez. Tried to let him hear it, man. And he felt like if it was a lifter, it would have been, I guess, a more serious issue. But here's the thing. It was still serious. One of the rocker bolts broke. ARP. How? I mean, he fastened them all down. He what was it called? Zero lash, I know that, but you gotta check your lifter preload and all that. Like, he know all this shit, okay? So he tightened them all down to 22 foot-pounds. That's the torque specs for the rocker arms. Torqued them all down, got them all together. So we just don't know how. This bitch broke. Clean cut too. Clean cut. That is just insane. Hey, you think these springs are still like okay?
Yeah, because I you know, I'm glad you said that. I was just going to tell you, I looked at the top of the valve. It looks perfect. The top of the retainer don't have no scratches on it. I mean, which it wouldn't have got no scratches on it anyway. But yeah, man, all of that looks good.
We figured out the vibration as well. The vibration was caused by me missing a transmission bolt. I got the bolts, so once we get those in there, I'll be A1. Like, the car feels good. I've only been to about 85, 90. I'm not pushing it no further than that until I know that my tune is fine. Which, speaking of, I want to reorder that the MAF sensor, real soon. So once I get a hold of that too, I'll get it back up there to the dyno, dial everything in with the new rockers, got a new pump, and got this MAF sensor, man. It's supposed to be legit for the LS2. Granatelli. I studied them up a little bit. They seem like a decent company. So all in all, man, for now the car is good, no issues. I'm enjoying the no vibration, like it's well right now. So as I've given y'all the ends of what I'm wanting to do, like I said today, man, I'm gonna take it to the car wash, man, get this thing cleaned out a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this thing as much as I can. I can't wait to really like get it back to the dyno, man, and really try to push out 500. That's what my goal is, 500 or better. that shit out the system. I want to get it dialed in, but it don't even smoke anymore. No blue trails, no black trails. I haven't floored it yet, but we ain't gonna figure that out until I put some miles on it. Damn, I was hoping this light would turn green, but